Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can type in Hindi or any other language in your WhatsApp on your Android phone. Okay guys, so if I go to my WhatsApp and suppose I want to talk to this guy in Hindi, so if I tap over here in the message section, so I don't have any option here. Okay, so to type in Hindi. Okay, so how I can bring that? So what do you need to do? Again, you just need to go to the settings of your phone and you have to find here you have to find here the language and input section. So tap on it, and under that you have to tap on this Google keyboard, sorry. Tap on it, and after that you need to tap on this languages. Okay, and guys, here you have to turn this off, this use system language. Turn this off by tapping on it, and here you have active input methods, and here you have so many languages that you can choose from. So let me choose this one, English US, and I have to scroll down to find where is Hindi. So here we have this Hindi. Just tap on it to activate it, and any other language that you like. There are tons of languages over here. Let's try this Marathi. Tap on it to activate it, and we have to go to the WhatsApp again. Okay, so let me open WhatsApp and open this on this chat. I'm gonna talk to this guy in Hindi, and if I tap on this type message, and here we have this language and input. We have this globe icon over here, so tap on it, and here we get this this new keyboard. Okay, so you can type in Hindi whatever you wanna type, you can type that, just send it, and here we have. Okay, and we also activated the Marathi. So what you need to do, just tap on it again. As you can see, here we have this Marathi keyboard. Okay, so guys, in this way you can type in any regional languages of your choice, or any other Indian languages. If you like, you can do that very easily. So hope this tutorial helps, and thanks for watching this video. And also guys, please rate, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, thanks. Hi guys, I have some more videos for you. If you like, you can check it out, and you can also subscribe to my channel by hitting on the big red subscribe button over here.